We got the start of our privacy fence here. This is all our footings here. Got two sides. Got all the forms set. Getting ready to dig the post holes. Get that done. Set the post, pour the concrete. Alright, here we go. We're getting got the post set on this fence. As you can see, we got the rebar in there, and we are going to get this poured today and get this fence finished up here pretty soon. So anyway, this is the update on what's going on with the fence. This is the other side, the back side of the fence. It's going to be cedar. This back side will be cedar, and the side over there will be Orient fence. Alright, we finally got the gates up, the fence built over here. We had to wait a bit to get the fence panels and the gates in. We'll take a look at them. You can see the curb now with all the forms off of it. Our fence panels turned out to be a pretty nice little fence. Connected down here to the cedar fence. See, it goes all the way back to the corner. See the drain holes. For the water to drain out. Nice fence. Now we're looking at the back side of the fence. The wrought iron fence. Fence turned out beautiful. Yes, awesome fence. So when you need a good looking fence installed, you just call us and we'll take care of it here at Manicured Lawn.